Hello, so I decided to do my presentation about golden retrievers because I have one and she is the love of my life and the center of my family. So I just wanted to um show you some fun facts about golden retrievers and why they're the best dog ever. Hope you enjoy. So golden retrievers love to swim, and I can vouch for that because my dog loves to go to the beach and she loves to swim. Golden retrievers are also used on rescue teams because of their really good sense of smell and tracking abilities. They make great therapy dogs. Um, I can also vouch for that because whenever I'm upset, my dog will always come and comfort me, and she knows when I'm upset, and it's pretty cool. Um, they're also considered to be the fourth smartest dog breed. They have a water repellent double coat and they shed a lot. There are actually three types of golden retrievers and they vary in color and size. They are also known to take care of other animals. Golden retrievers are known to even become sad and depressed when left alone for long periods of time. And they make great watchdogs, but not so great security dogs because they become really friendly when they start interacting with a person. And golden retrievers are also really popular to star in movies or television shows because they're really easy to train. A good example would be the Buddies movies with all the puppies. And then lastly, I just wanted to show some pictures of my dog. This is Sadie. She is 8 years old, almost 9, and she's so friendly. She's really fun. She's really loving. You can really tell that she cares about my family, and I love her to death. The picture on the far left was when we actually had to take her to the hospital for one of her incidents, and in the middle is where she came to pick me up from a friend's house, and she wanted me to sit so badly with her I had to get in the back because she was crying, so I sat in the back with her. And on the far right is my little brother and Ariana. She's in our class already. I asked her approval of this picture. And Ariana came over one night for a sleepover, and she immediately ran into my room and jumped on the bed and was really excited to see her. She always falls in love with my friends. And then lastly, I have my sources. Thank you for listening. Hope you enjoyed.